Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture in this course. In this video, I shall be explaining the lesson objectives of this section. In this section, we shall be defining clearly what is machine learning and artificial intelligence. And we shall be looking into a summary of types of machine learning. We are not going to explain much, but the definition on the types of machine learning that we are going to be looking into in the later lectures. And we are going to look into the examples of machine learning areas in action and artificial intelligence areas in action, where exactly the artificial intelligence can be applied and machine learning can be applied. And we shall be looking into the artificial intelligence techniques, which enables the artificial intelligence to act like a human. And another area that we are going to look into is the benefit from machine learning and the artificial intelligence, as well as the limitation from artificial intelligence and machine learning. These objectives are the areas that we are going to look into in this section. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.